Hello and welcome to another session of Clash of Code, where we're going to test our coding challenges, coding knowledge actually, against each other in a fun coding challenge session. Alright, let's see who's joining. Okay, I sent out a tweet, I sent it in Discord, and we should be enough. Hello, Naira. We should have enough people to make a fun session. Let me get this out. All right. Okay, good. And there I am, very white. All right. Good. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I just finished a coding session. Well, I guess I need to do that. I'm too white. Oh well, if I lean back. Okay. Hello, Ahmed. Welcome. Only 13 people we have so far, but I guess it's good. we need people to play. Hello, David. Okay. Love you from Pakistan. Thank you. Love you too. I love every one of you. All right. Hello, hola. Okay. For those of you who don't know, this is a website, coding game, which has a Clash of Code mode, where we have different challenges. Well, actually, 3 types of challenges, 3 types of modes, I guess. 3 modes. Oh well. We have the fastest, the shortest, the reverse. Hello, CJ. Welcome. Nice to see you. How are you, buddy? I have you on a background. I'll try to join challenges when I can. Nice. I have to warn you, we have David, which is the best one I played so far. Okay. You're in a meeting all day. Oh, that hurts. All right. So, if you don't have yet an account, I have a link in the description where you can create an account. And then I'm going to create the challenges. Every challenge is one of the 3 modes. Fastest, where you must complete the puzzle as fast as possible. Shortest, where you need to write the fewest amount of characters. And the reversed, where you're getting a list of inputs, a list of outputs, and you need to write the code for it to work. You have a question? Sure. What's up? All right, everything seems to be working. Goody. CJ, you said once that you emailed YouTube about the membership. Someone suggested me to do the same. That could be interesting. Maybe they allow me to open the membership sooner. Hopefully. Some people asked about that. Alright, so Naira, what question you have, and then we can start. I will create a private clash. I'll send a link, you have to click it, and then you can join the clash. They responded no. I heard of someone who had 2.3k subscribers and they approved him. So that's weird, right? Puzzle of the week. Ocean. Oh, a lot of stuff here. Alright. I'm a beginner. How time required to make HTML CSS expert? It depends so much on how much you're investing. You don't worry about that. Just start coding, HTML, CSS, learn, and you'll get there. It could take a couple of months, could take years if you're only working once a week. Yeah, gaming channels. I've heard that. All right, let's start one private clash. Yeah. I hope so. I hope they could approve. I don't know. Yeah, easy to learn, difficult to master. All right, so I sent the link. You can click that link and you can join the challenge. Yeah, I'm not sure who can say they master. So yeah. I get a lot of questions of how much time until expert or whatever. But it's such a broad question. I mean, if you're working 16 hours a day for, I don't know, 3 months, then you probably become very, very good at. But again, there's so many things that you can't say for sure. I'm going to wait. Let's wait till it ends. Maybe someone will join. Someone else will join. Or should we start? I guess should we start at 30? Hello, Amandeep. Let's start at 30 seconds if no one else joins. Because we don't have that many viewers now. Alright, are you ready? Let's start with the first one. Keep in mind that there are 3 types, 3 modes, and you need to check which mode you are in before you start. Well, reverse mode. Okay, so we get the input, we need to say the output. Now this is interesting. Yes. Yeah, I wanted to do something else initially, but what did you do? Yeah. I wanted to use reduce for some reason. Not sure why. Small case. Yeah. Filter. Oh, so you got them out. Okay. Hey, try this if it's equal to add accumulator plus 1. But it didn't work for some reason. I did it in a reduce. Oh well. Steve, where I am working? I'm working on YouTube. That's all I'm doing now. I'm going to wait a bit more for some people to finish, and then we can go over what this challenge required. But yeah, someone said it. Small case. We needed to get all the lowercase characters. and me and David used the replace. We replaced all the non-lowercase letters with an empty string, and then we get the length of the remaining string. CJ on the other hand, on the other hand, yes, you can use C++. You can use whatever programming language you want. So CJ split the string and then filtered out. So you match and lowercase l. Interesting. So you match if it's a lowercase. Why did you match though? Yeah, the match, it seems like redundant. All right, let's do another one. Lol, I thought it was looping over all strings and counting, and you did it in a single line. Yeah, well, with regex you can do some fun stuff. Let's do another one. I posted a link. This time we're not going to 2 hours as we did yesterday. Alright, join if you want. Who else was last time? I'm going to wait a bit more. Yesterday we had so many people that we couldn't. So if we join on the link, can we only use JavaScript? No, you can use whatever programming language you want. There is a drop down somewhere around here. Yeah, around there. And you can select the programming language. Just join and check it out. You'll see. I don't know if you need to have an account before you join. I guess they will say that you don't have an account and can join. Gooey! Hello and welcome. Alright. I followed you all. Okay, let's see. I'm going to wait a bit more. Maybe someone else wants to join. A man from Finland. Follow. You have to open PC next round. Okay. Alright, so it's starting. 10 seconds. Let's see. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we get the shortest one. Fastest, okay. My code is so ugly. Oh. Okay. I did something wrong. Fubar. Okay. A bracket else after else. Good luck. Thank you. I did it with 5 and 3, and apparently it needed to do it with 5 and 7. This is the classical Fubar challenge, which you may get in interviews. I'm not sure. My code looks awful, but it's not my fault they don't put the brackets where they need to go. So yeah, if the number is divisible, or how do you call it? It's if the number is exactly divisible with 5 and 7, you need to write full bar. Otherwise, if it's only with 7, bar, and if it's only with 5, full. Yeah, eloquent JavaScript book. Yeah, so usually it's with 5 and 3. Okay, let's see, GUI. Yeah, 35. Oh, nice. You did the multiplication. Good, good, good. David, you arranged your code. Mine is a mess. And VRL, yeah. So yeah, I think this is the only way to do it. I'm not sure if there's another way. Yeah. I guess for this one, if you already know what the problem needs to do, then it's just a matter of who types faster. All right, let's do another one. What's the time? 45. Okay. I think we're going to do 3 more, something like that. We'll see. I want shortest. Yeah, me too. I want shortest too. Edward. 3 hours more. Yeah. Usually that's what's happening. Although this time I want to be balanced. I don't want to go overboard. In what country are you right now? Romania. Are you in Romania too? Please 3 hours. Yeah, Garvit. I know you would like that, but I'm exhausted. Gooey. Love from Pakistan. Thank you. Do you make live stream often? Yes, daily. Almost daily. I skip some days. Do you know Vue? Not that much. Just a bit. Alright, it's starting. 10 seconds. I need to stretch. CJ, send me your stretching app. I'm not sure if you can hear me. Alright. Shortest mode. Okay, finally. We don't have to rush. This is an interesting one. So we need to count how many times the letters appear. We need to do it shortest. I'm not good at strings. Yeah. It's not just strings, you need to count them. Guess. Hmm. Not sure if this works, but let's see. Nah, let me do it the old way. Hmm. Yeah. Eduardo did it with C. You need to take in consideration the code size for this. Found. Yeah. I guess this. Where I see where I'm wrong. I mean, if I have compilation problems. You have tests here on the right. Yeah, but it's 0%, so I guess that didn't work. Well, let me do it my way. uh, Congratulations, sad pasta. I guess that's the way. Hello, Dave. VRL did it. For some reason, I'm just line split for each. So apparently, if you stop coding for a few months of years or years, you kind of forget how to do it. Yeah. A of x plus plus. That K-pa emoji is weird on YouTube. Not sure which one you mean. So I could do this and then so this would work. You will enjoy the next one. Hello, Brian. Love the new me. Thank you. Now we have 106, which is good, 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 good. We can remove some. I bet David will have some fancy solution. So this works, which is good. Let's see. Let me think. No. Can I do it with reduce? So reduce accumulator X and get this. Think Florin, think. I have 6 more minutes to find a good solution. So what's wrong here? We have reduce, okay, A of X. Not sure if that works. Okay. No, A is not defined. Where is not defined? I don't see. To this. Isn't line 7. Oh, okay. Nothing. Alright. Console.log. This. Alright, look at that beauty. Now we can do this. What happens to string? What happens if I do the string? Object. Now. I guess I need to do values. Object.values. And then join this. Now it should work. Alright. And we should have less code. Probably. Okay, I don't need that. Can't say print here. I guess I just saved. Okay, David did it in 94. How can we beat David? I guess we don't need. I don't have zeros, so I just need 11 characters. Where can I save some characters? So I added this by default. If I do, don't add this, it won't know. A of X plus A of X. Do we have A of X? Then A of X. Print opens my printer. Otherwise, 1. Yeah, but then you won't have 0, so yeah, this won't work. Where can we save some space? So reduce, split we need, readline we need, object values. I just realized the way you could beat me. I have 3 minutes to figure it out. Object values. So yeah, we have reduce, we have the spread works, that works. We need these by default. Then join. I don't say it too hard. Yeah, this is interesting. Object values. Is there other property I could use to get, well, no, I don't see it. Print is good. Object. Don't we have values like that? No. So how can I, by default an object or dev 0? Yeah, I don't see it. What happens if you don't have this though? Not a number, not a number, not a number, obviously. I guess I'll try again this. A of x. But then it won't work if you don't have any. It won't print 0. Right? A of x plus 1 or 1. Unexpected token. All right. Oh. Use spread. I used spread. And now look at what numbers we get. Weird. Oh well. A GUI submitted 87. Alright. Split. We need split. Oh. Alright. Good. Spread there. Alright. So other spread. Join. Nah. Let's see what you guys did. So I forgot about that. Good. Let's see David first. So my solution was to spread the string to get an array characters, then reduce it. And by default, I have an object which has all the letters. I'm not sure what these were called. I forgot. A, C, G, T. And they are 0 by default. And here we're spreading the A, and we're getting the letter. Getting the letter A, C, G, T, whichever it is, and we're setting it to its value plus 1. So we're increasing with 1. And then we're joining everything to be a string. Now let's see David's. Readline split. Oh, okay. No, I get it. So you're calling the template stuff. How many streams have you done today? A couple. Reduce AC. AC plus plus A. What? What does this does? So we're returning this. I don't know what this does. We're returning a parenthesis with two proper. Anyway, and we have this by default. Object value readline. Oh, and split. And probably GUI did it. What? Whoa. You could say you could save even more characters by putting this up there and this there. Nice. Nice, nice. It only returns what is after the last comma. Really? So this, whoa. Are you going to do the Odin project? Nah, probably not. At least not now. So it only returns what's this, so A. You increase? Whoa, no, that's tricky. But how? Like a function. What's this actually? A function is a for loop, is a while. What's it? An expression. Why it's returning only after the comma? I'm learning something new every day. But yeah, GUI did it in an interesting way. He could save even more characters. This is the first time I see someone using the comma operator. The comma operator. Comma operator. Evaluates each of his operands from left to right and returns the value of the last operand. Whoa, never saw this. Nice. This lets you create a compound expression in which multiple expressions are evaluated, with the compound expression's final value being. Nice. Is this something new? Pretty nice. Yeah, GUI did an awesome job. See for loop. So not really interesting. I never saw this. Probably because it's not that used. You can use the comma operator when you want to include multiple expressions in a location that requires a single expression. For most people, most common usage of this operator is to supply multiple parameters in a for loop. Okay, I see. So actually the for is a function and you pass this in. Noise. It's only really useful when trying to minimize code size. Yeah. It's nice for this kind of challenges, but for production it's so confusing. Yeah, true. Don't use this in production. Noise. Let's see what VRL did. A match or okay, length. Yeah, so you're matching all of those and you're getting the length. Yeah, this was my first thought also. But don't forget you can remove the comments here and here and to remove some characters. Can't you do with match to match all of them somehow and get all of the four values like in groups? I think that's what I wanted to try. A dot split A length -1, split C, split G, split T. All right, interesting. Okay, good. This was a interesting and a fun one. Let's do. Yeah, I said 15 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. Let's do two more. So print does the same as console log. Yes. First time in coding game. Haven't read the specs of the game. Yeah, don't worry. join the next ones and you'll get better and better. Albert, hello. Let me follow you. CJ. So yeah, that's an interesting. I saw it, I think, once that comma operator, and it was pretty fun. Yeah, me neither. All right, we have 12 people. Let's go. Good luck. Shortest mode. Okay, again. So let's see. Yeah, so Steve, you don't have to return it. You just have to console console log it. The program must output whether the year given of standard, oh boy, is a leap year or false. To know if a year is a leap year, follow the guide. If divisible by 4, go step 2. Otherwise, go step 5. If divisible by 100, go step 3. If divisible by 400, go step 4. The year is a leap year, so it has to be divisible by 4, by 100, by 400. I guess. I'm not sure if that's the right one. Yeah, apparently. Oops. Ahmed, you did it. So by 4, go to step 2. Check by 100. It is, go to step 3. Check for 400. Is not, go to step 4. This is confusing. So if it's divisible by 100, go to step 4. Otherwise, go to step 3. Otherwise, go to step 4. I don't get it. Leap years are fun. So Yeah, I don't get it. I never understood the leap years. Does space count? Yes. So if it's divisible by 4, by 100, by 400, it's, yeah, good. But if it's not divisible by 100, nah. Do you guys get it? Because I don't. So it's something with 100. If it's divisible by 100, go to step 4. It's not, go and say so it's divisible 100, 0. Yes, then turn this. Otherwise, return true. All right, finally. uh, so I guess 51. All right, sure. You did it. Well done. Yeah, so it was divisible by 4 and it wasn't divisible by 100. It's still true. If it's not divisible, no. If it's divisible by 4 and divisible by 100, has to be divisible by 400. Neon. So here divisible by 4 and is divisible by different than 0. Or, oh. Let's see how VRL did it. Parse int. So instead of parse int, you can use plus, which does the same thing. Print, okay, y divisible 0. Y, not y. Whoa, I could have used y. Yeah, I think I could have saved one more character. Let's see how. Where is oh, Dave is not playing? The other Dave. I see. So let's see. Ahmed, what you did. Console log, use print, remove this with plus, don't store it in a let. This make it one variable. So, and then you were, I think it's the same. Yeah, so that's the logic. And different than 0 or, yeah, so not what I did. I think you could have won this. Oh, David, oh, look at you. I thought you were not playing. Print 4, not 1. Divisible by 4 returns. Oh, yeah. So if you use divisible by 4, this returns 0. If it is, right? You don't have to check. Oh boy. But yeah, other than that, who knows what you did? Can I remove the libraries in C++ or? I don't think you can remove the libraries. Try, not sure, but I think it will fail. Or you can? Oh, okay. So yeah, is before yes, not 1. So that's false. Otherwise, yes, 0. Otherwise, not 0. So that's true. Not 1. Yeah. So I could have used not here. Where is it? True. I could have used not 0. And that's 2 more characters. And I think, yeah, here, modulus 4. Yeah, I did it with 2 zeros. All right, let's see. Raul, Python. Okay, good old Python. Python. What read line is nor defines is supposed to mean? Read line reads from the input, what you get from the input. Okay, so this is a long if else. All right. JavaScript, Dave, almost did it. You failed one. I think the one I failed too. Yeah, Dave again with his fancy solution. Okay, let's play one more. And then I go watch some B99. The link is in the chat if you want to join. Yesterday we played like for like 1.5 hours and we had no shortest. That's really odd. Really odd. Other lives? Yes, I will be live tomorrow too. I will be live every day. But all right. So we had to do plastic straw. Yeah. We had to do some calculation. It was some kind of loop. Every time, while n, which was the number we were given, was different than 1, we had to check if it's even, then we needed to divide by 2. Otherwise, we needed to multiply by 3 and add 1. And I created an array, I pushed everything inside of the array, and then I joined all of them to see the result. Yeah. So results and even 0. Okay. CJ did it with if else. The same thing. And then pushed and joined. Okay, so pretty much the same thing. Let's see, David. Yup, the same thing. Sorry. Can I mute it? No. All right. Yeah. I think that's it. Or should we play one more until 10 half? 10 and a half. Hello, Akam. Dave, I'm not sure what you did here. Why doesn't it work? Because you need to console all the values. And you need to store them. One more. Okay. Let's wait for Ahmed to finish VRL. And then we can do one more. Come on, Ahmed, VRL. Let's play the last one. We'll wait for you here. Albert. Hello, Akam. I'm getting sleepy. Let's get a reverse one. Because we didn't have a reverse. Akam. Good. Ahmed, come join. Be the last one. How are you doing? I'm fine. How are you? We're coding. Ahmed, you missed it. Alright, let's see. Shortest, okay. So we have time. So basically exactly what we did before. We just need to count the steps. Now the thing is to do this fast. I mean, shortest code. What happens in a reduce if you modify the array? Will it go indefinitely? Yeah, doesn't push. VRL, well done. I guess this is the solution. How can I improve this? Can't remove the library, so GS has advantage. Yeah, you can use Python. Forgot the last semicolon. Yeah. Oh. What we can remove? We need to do the check, right? We need to store it for the next loop. We're checking different than 0. Different than 1, okay. We're multiplying plus 1, okay. Do we need the parentheses? Alright, so we don't need the parentheses, that's a good thing. What else? I don't think there is another. So let me submit. One more look. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. CJ did it with 62. No, 60. One character. Where is that character? Come on. You did this again. But it's return? Yeah, but this is evaluated. So this is return. So what? We don't. So there's one character because, well, this is the same thing, right? You have parentheses there. Oh, I know where. So instead of this, no, well, let's copy this. Let's see what CJ did. Yeah, so not. Okay, and +1, okay. Yeah, good. No plus. No plus. While n minus 1. N minus 1 is condition. If n is 1, that's brilliant. No need for plus. That's one less character. Yeah. But yeah, but then why while didn't? Oh, well, it would have worked because we do the operations here and it converts it back to number, right? Okay, you got me there. So without the plus, let's see what Alberto did. He has the plus. Different than 1, okay, okay. Otherwise, divided by 2, C++. Where is the extra character here? Oh, I don't see it. C. Oh, probably the space. No? Sorry. Here. Yeah, this one. The space here. That's one character. VRL, what did it do? Okay. So no plus. The comma, never mind. Okay. This one, no one. Percent, yeah, so instead of percent, just remove it, we don't need. While I++. Whoa, so you did that and then a check if f x equal to 0. Yeah, you could just put this as a condition. That saved a couple of characters. Okay, so Dave didn't work. Edward, don't see the code. Yeah. So we don't need a plus because it's a number and here will become, it's a string and here will become a number. Here. Because we're multiplying and we're dividing it. Ah, tricky. What's going on, CJ? Yeah. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. If you did, give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow this channel together and get to 100,000. This is super fun, starting to remember how to code. Yeah. Why you can't see the code at Edward? Because it's not shared. Hello, CJ, can you hear us? Clap, clap. Yeah, it was fun. You missed a few characters though. Okay, he didn't share. Steve, yeah, Steve didn't share it. Alright, good. Thank you all for joining. I'm going to do another live stream tomorrow. I'm so addictive to these live streams. I should focus more on some other things. But yeah, if you liked it, come back tomorrow. we are going to do some more fun stuff. Until then, have a good night, evening, morning, afternoon, or whatever. Whatever, whenever, where are you? My English is the best. Take care, everybody. Bye.